Every notification, email, and performance metric on your wrist is a deliberate request for your attention. You glance down to check a simple heart rate, and suddenly you're staring at a dense grid of colorful applications or triaging text messages in the middle of a workout. This constant connectivity is leading to a pivot in the market. More users are moving towards passive recovery tracking, seeking the data they need without the distraction of interactive apps. The $99 Google Fitbit Air is a direct hardware response to that specific shift in behavior. The decision to buy a wearable is no longer about which device adds the most features, but whether sacrificing the screen entirely is a fair trade for regaining your mental clarity. We map the wearable market by comparing ownership costs against digital distraction. Smartwatches sit top right for high cost and high distraction. Whoop 5.0 removes the screen, but its subscription keeps it high cost, top left. The Fitbit Air occupies the bottom left, offering a low-cost, low-distraction alternative. This position on the map frames a specific trade-off, choosing between the active utility of a legacy tracker and the passive background monitoring typically found in much more expensive recovery models. The Fitbit Air requires a flat upfront payment of $99 to own the hardware. This chart compares that one-time cost to the Whoop 5.0, which requires a mandatory $199 annual subscription. By the 3-year mark, the Whoop user has spent nearly $600, while the Fitbit Air hardware hasn't changed since day one. Core health metrics like heart rate variability, sleep stages, SpO2, and AEP detection are available on the Air for free, indefinitely. Google does offer an optional software layer called Google Health Premium, which integrates their Gemini AI into the experience. After a 3-month trial, access to AI-generated cardio plans and the adaptive coaching platform moves behind a $10 monthly fee. The key difference here is that if you stop paying Whoop, your hardware stops working. If you stop paying for the Air's premium AI, the core device and your health data stay accessible. The Air is a 12-gram pebble that is only 8.3 millimeters thick. It's a physical design optimized for continuous 24/7 wear. This form factor removes the physical friction of sleeping with a bulky watch. There is no thick glass casing to catch on blankets and no screen to accidentally illuminate a dark room. Google attributes a 15% increase in sleep data accuracy to this design because users are significantly less likely to remove the device at night. Legacy fitness bands are built for immediate feedback. A quick tap shows your steps, your current heart rate, or your active workout time. The Air removes that wrist-based autonomy entirely. There's no way to check a timer, view your pace, or see a notification without reaching for your phone. The exceptional physical comfort of this device is a direct exchange for a total reliance on your smartphone for any real-time data. Budget-conscious buyers comparing the Air will find its closest competitor is actually internal, the Fitbit Charge 6. Both devices share the same baseline, including high-fidelity optical heart rate sensors and the ability to automatically detect and log common exercises. However, the Air drops several hardware components found on the Charge 6, built-in GPS, EDA stress sensors, and on-demand ECG spot checks. For outdoor activities, the Air uses a connected GPS architecture. This means that to map a route or check your running pace, you are required to carry your smartphone, so the Air can borrow its location data. The Air lacks the independent hardware that data-hungry athletes need to leave their phones behind or target specific heart rate zones during a session. Some users enjoy the productivity of a smartwatch but find it too cumbersome to wear during rest. Google's new software integration allows a Pixel Watch and a Fitbit Air to sync simultaneously to one Google Health account. This allows you to wear a feature-rich watch for daytime productivity and then swap to the weightless Air exclusively for sleep tracking. The friction here is logistical. Adopting this strategy means managing 2 separate devices, including the Air's proprietary USB-C charging puck. While dual wearing solves the physical discomfort of sleeping in a smartwatch, it increases the daily mental load of device management. Navigate the decision tree. Need real-time workout data? Choose a screen like Fitbit Charge 6 or Garmin. Comfortable without a screen? Consider budget. Willing to pay $200 annually for AI coaching? Yes means Whoop 5.0. For passive insights without subscriptions, choose Fitbit Air. The Fitbit Air is for the budget-conscious optimizer. someone who wants passive, 24/7 health data without renting their hardware. By providing high-fidelity recovery data for $99, Google has made passive tracking accessible to a much broader audience. It proves that for the right user, the most effective wearable is the one you forget you're even wearing.